Hi everyone. Today I'm going to use a magnet to test to see if the egg is going to be a male or a female, a cockerel or a hen. So what you do is you get a normal fertile egg, hopefully a fertile egg. Get this special thread magnet I just made. Hold it there, touch it, and then bring it up about ½ inch. And then just hold it there and see what happens. Hold it nice and steady. Now if it goes around in circles, I've been told, then that should hatch as a hen. Now this one is going around in circles, so it should be a hen. Okay, look at that, complete circles, should be a hen. So we put this down, get another egg. Let's try a different one. And do this, repeat the same process. Hold it, just touch it. Now so it's nice and steady. Bring it up ½ inch and hold it there. It goes around in circles, then it's a hen. Once it starts rotating, you can lift it up a little bit, and obviously the circle gets bigger. So I don't know what it's looking at, but whatever it's looking at, it's flying around like a drone. Okay, so that's going to be a hen. So we're going to try a different one. Let's try a different colour one. Okay, here we go. Hold it nice and steady. Put the magnet on top. Lift it up. Hold ½ inch and just hold it there. Works every time. Now this one is going around in like a pendulum, like a clock pendulum, to and fro, side to side. So that basically, according to folklore, no scientific reasons, that should be a cockerel. So side to side like this is a cockerel, circle is a hen, a female. So this one should be a male. Okay, let's try another egg. This time we'll try a pinkish one. There we go. Let's see what happens here. Touch it. So it's nice and steady. Bring it up ½ inch, hold it there, then wait. Now that should be another male, another cockerel, as it's going like a pendulum, side to side. Look how far it's going. So if you bring it up a little bit more, it seems to go further. And once it starts, you can hold it up a bit more. And then once it goes out of range, it slightly slows down. Look. Now that slows right down. If you go down again.
You're listening to Postage FM.
Starts again. So it's definitely the egg. It's seeing something inside the egg. I don't know what it is, but I've been told if it's side to side, it's a cockerel. Now like I said, if you lift it up, keep lifting it, and as it goes out of range, it slows down. I'm not slowing it, it's slowing it down itself, look. Take it down again, and it starts again. Right, let's try a different colour. Let me try that one. Let's try this one then. Touch it. Take it up 1/2 inch. Side to side. That's a cockerel, a male. Take it up too high and it stops. Take it down a bit. And it starts again. Right, you wait a bit. I'm gonna get out a completely different colour. Right, here we go. Try this one. It's like a well, it's like a sage colour, I suppose. Very unique colour. Right, touch it, hold it 1/2 inch above. So if you lift it up about 1 inch, once it starts rotating, the circle gets bigger. So this, just take it up a bit, stops, take it down a bit further, and it starts again. If you take it up too high, it just stops, because obviously it's too far away from the egg. So to get it started, 1/2 inch is just above the egg, and then lift it up about 1 inch and the circle gets bigger. So this is going to be a hen or a female, so I've been told. But we tried this in the other video on the chicks, and the same thing works. The male ones go side to side, and the female one, it goes out in a circles. So there's something there that needs to be looked into. If you want one of these magnets, $6.99. eggs1954 at outlook.com, or you can buy one on eBay, same price. Thank you for looking. If you like it, please press like, and what else can I say? It's a mystery. Oh, just try it and see what you think. Thank you. Oh, by the way, these are special magnets because I tried various different magnets. These are the best ones that work every time. Thank you.